friends. Have you ever wanted to be as kind or thoughtful or caring or skillful as a papa, but you didn't think you had what it takes? Well, not to worry. Now you can buy what it takes. Look at this person. This person is not a papa.
I wish I was a papa.
Well, good news. You too can get the skills to be as small and helpful as a papa with this magic bike. Papanado 7000 is a revolutionary technology. It's complete with a supportive bike seat, uplifting handlebars, and a fender that falls, just to keep unwanted guests away, throw in a little bit more of that authentic papaness. To use your Papanado 7000, lift up the front wheel and spin it to gather the lessons of papas in the past. Test brakes 2 times. Spin around in a circle and pat your head and rub your tummy saying, Papa, Papa, Papa,
Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa, Papa.
Get your Papanado 7000 today. And there you have it, friends. You too can be a great, great papa. Happy papaing!